There's a freight train going past and we stood about 100 foot above it.
There's a robin. Yes. First of the year. Pretty rare now. It sounds cool. There's a freight train coming up. I think it is, I'm not sure. And then there's a little ship one over there, Charlie. Oh, I did hear that. Right, Charlie's running down quickly. Charlie's over there, can you see him? There's a little ship train. And then over there, I think that's the EWS. What? It's coming! Yeah, quick, if you hurry. It's coming near the bridge, quickly. Here it comes. Hornage. It's good hornage. Oh. Oh, that was sexy. Oh. It's an EWS. I think. There's the frieghtliner we saw. There's 66. It's coming. It's giving some good horns. Yeah, here it comes. It's just going under the red light. Come on, do something. Oh. There goes the shed. Hard squeaky. And then there's a little one. Hornage. Oh, did you hear that? He's dishing out those horns. And here comes a little shit there. Little one. Uno.